In this leg of the trip, we went to Black Hills National Forest, home of Mount Rushmore. A short drive from Rapid City through the town of Keystone, and then straight uphill till the monument appeared right before our eyes. It was quite a built-up place, and it had to be to handle all these tourists, including ourselves, but it was really well laid out and really clean. Not surprising for the pinnacle of patriotism. A walkway of flags representing all the states and territories led us right up to the monument itself, and the four faces that everybody came to see. It was busy, but there was no problem getting a good shot of the presidents. From all different angles, they had viewing platforms, and people were pretty nice to move out of the way and take their turns getting the good shots. It's pretty impressive to think about the workmanship that went into carving these four dudes into the side of a mountain. From there we continued up the forest road to Jewel Cave. All the tours are scheduled, and we showed up. We had to wait about an hour and a half before we actually got into the cave, but when we did, it was totally worth it. There was all kinds of crazy formations, different stalagmites and stalactites, and all kinds of strange growth-looking weirdo blobs to keep it interesting. It was a pretty well-defined path. You couldn't really stray, but there were a whole lot of different bits and pieces to see. There was quite a few different colors and variations in the rock, and lots of lit up passageways where you could see the coolest of the spark crystals, agonite frostwork, and calcite crystals. We did the scenic tour, which takes about an hour and 20 minutes around a half-mile loop. There's approximately 723 steps, and you feel them all by the end of it. All in all, it was a cool little tour, but get there early because tickets tend to sell out. We were pretty pooped by the end of it, so we followed the highway out of the park, through a lightning storm in the wide open countryside, and then cruised full steam ahead to our campsite for the night along the Wyoming border. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this leg of the trip. Check out our blog at lifeenroute.com. And as always, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.